7 Viral Kindle Accessories You Need for the Ultimate Reading Experience. 1. Amazon Kindle Paperwhite, 16 GB. Don't have a Kindle yet? Start with this lightweight, waterproof e-reader. With a 10-week battery life and built-in light, it's perfect for reading anywhere, anytime. 2. Lamical Gooseneck Tablet Mount Holder. Tired of holding your Kindle overhead in bed? This flexible mount attaches to your bed frame or nightstand, offering a hands-free reading experience at the perfect angle. 3. Remote Control Page Turner for Kindle. This handheld remote lets you flip through pages without lifting a finger. Perfect for those intense reading sessions. 4. Tab Couch Cup Holder Tray Pillow. Snack and sip while you read with this cozy tray pillow. It has 2 cup holders, snack slots, and a spot for your Kindle. 5. Strapsicle Kindle Hand Strap. This silicone strap makes holding your Kindle easier and more secure. Slip your hand through for a comfy, effortless grip. 6. GAROOD Desktop Whiteboard Tablet Stand. Ideal for Kindle Fire users, this stand doubles as a whiteboard and comes with hidden storage for pens, chargers, and more. 7. Co-back Kindle Paperwhite Case with Stand. This sleek, durable case features a kickstand, card holder, and hand sleeve, making it a multifunctional must-have for every reader. Shop these trending Kindle accessories on Amazon today. Check out the video description for links.